location sa asin guys. Ang sapa nahimo ng asin. Way dagat pero daghang asin. Ang sapa nahimo ng asin. Sa mga bukid. Ayan, mga skin mo. Wants to swim on the snow. Yeah guys. Wala na ulan. Other side of the mountain. Bali Mount.
They are sleeping. They are sleeping. Yes.
Maadto mo diha guys, maadto mo diha sa bukid sa asin. Mga tagak ng mga bato dali. Mo.
Kilometer.
Dili, tuwit na, kasugat. Uy, mga bato. Mga batong puti. Bluki-bluki, meron eh. Bukid. guys, tigpala ni at tigdugmok. Tigdugmok ang mga kuwan. Mga asin nga dagko na kayo. Kaya kayo sa kahon sa balsa. Hindi ang magdag balsa diba? Guys, ang pumayan na hino ng luwan na sinan. Nakagapon na ng puyo na kayo. Puyo. May ganit kay ang kuhan dili pod no naasa sa kalsada no. Dia as kilid. Sigot ka diya ka magpuyo. Ibabaw. Diya ko. Ha? Mauli, anong kuwan? Kailangan destinasyon. Ano yung last? Diha nagtukod og balay. Sempalit og yuta. Dire.
Хорош.
Good.
Snow, snow.
Valley. Nakapod dito tayo ng bukid. Nakapod dito sa bukid.
Well, you do that with you.
Here?
Here only?
Yes, honey.
Yeah.
Musaka pa daw may dito sa ibabaw.
Makasaka? No need na.
Anaji.
Hindi naman ka...
No, Anishi.
Hindi nakaduwal. Agoy. Lupong na guys.
Portion idiot talaga.
Bahalag backing.
Ah, mabaking.
Hmm.
Pero na po din ni Dalan di.
Mga pala ito. Pasaka. Wala naman. Ice na.
Jesus.
Oy, you enjoy? Oh, lubong na eh.
Kapal dito din.
Maton may matunaw ng ice.
Yaw po na nila sa...
Hasta luego.
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Okay. Upa daw.
No, estamos,
Upa, upa.
Hindi na masira di.
Huh? Oh no.
Oh no! Snow!
Nako.
Go first. Wait.
You want halo-halo?
Can I eat the snow?
What do you want?
Can I eat the snow?
You want to eat the snow?
People on YouTube are eating snow.
Huh? You want to eat? Try.
Get your jacket.
Yeah.
Ah! I'm gonna vomit.
I want to.
I'm gonna vomit. Why? So why? Asa man ang
Wa na may makita dere guys.
jacket, diba?
Kami rin na dere guys. Kay magdula daw sila snow guys.
Ani diri guys.
Ah, why? Ate yan. Where? And go down and eat the snow.
Di man ski ski resort. Ah, toro ang okoroshi. Dili. Manlatan awa ang fish.
Mao na ilang gipangita guys.
Dali kayo. I will fix your jacket. You stand up.
We traveled so far for this. But this one has a lot in our refrigerator.
There's my glove, so I can use it. You stand up.
Na ni daghan freezer. No, ni anhe am dere.
You stand up, ba? You
Right. Rayo? It's very big.
This is spider.
Ray, Ray.
Snowball. Hello.
Ray, catch.
Ah, Moti.
Spider. Daddy, this is spider.
Where? Huh? The spider's alive? How
Pwede
come?
jacket yun eh. Here by here. Do not step on the food.
Here.
On the
Ah, snow.
Ray, make a snowball. Snowman. Make a snowman.
But I need my gloves.
Huh?
Where's your gloves?
Where's your gloves? Touch first before you
I already touched it.
make a snowball first. Only few people. Lab, maabot to daw nagnanig dari kapag
Can I have? Let the spider daddy come.
well, How does spider get
It's still
alive?
moving.
Spider lagi na ah.
Ooh, a snow spider.
Is it dead?
Rai found a snow spider.
Yung gloves ko
It was still alive, and now Daddy killed it.
No, it's alive.
It's still alive?
Yeah, see? There's a snow spider,
Even
guys.
though in the
See?
freezing temperature?
Ikaw maingon ani di?
Ah,
Touch na ba yun?
Can I remove my shoes because
Where's your gloves, Rai?
I don't know.
Rai. At ni Ian experiencing the first snow touch.
Can we cover this stupid spider?
Mararinig.
Daddy, can you take some snow and then put it on the spider?
Maom na akong
Daddy, this snow.
ginakuan sa rep. Natanggal pag mag-defrost ka og rep.
Daddy,
Maom na.
please.
Ha?
Put some snow. No, Daddy, that's what I not meant.
Dali na mo, picture na to kita
Daddy,
rin.
take.
But the spider still alive.
Good.
no.
Daddy, put a big piece of ice
You
over.
have gloves? Why you
I
don't have
don't
gloves?
like mommy, they're not okay.
Because you have gloves.
Hey, my God.
Hey.
Where's your glove?
I don't know. Mom, you did not. How the hell is it?
Oh, where are my gloves?
No, it's too big.
Ah.
Ada yung gloves. Oh.
Na, abot nila.
We go there, oh. We'll check the...
Dali na, girls.
We'll check the rice terraces.
Away pa sila. Snow na.
Come na!
This one, oh, use mommy's gloves. Dali.
Anda yung glove.
Small. Asa mo dahil mong gloves? It's okay, mommy. You use mommy's gloves.
Uy. Don't go there, guys.
Ay, what?
Watery.
Ay,
Wow.
Here.
If you love nature, go here in Kutaisi. It's later.
목이다 너. 저기 좋았어.
Yeah?
목이.
Pasuuton na ko niya og kuan guys, winter jacket. Nab, there yo picture. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
Asa, dali. Do not step behind this water. Oh, there's poop of the cow.
Naka-live ba yan eh? Ganina pa. Ay. Kaya na yung kabugnaw sa buwan. No, dikwaan ko og jacket.
Sit down on the snow.
Sit down.
Ay.
Sige na, Rai. not, do not on the face.
Only in the body.
The body.
How about mommy?
Uy,
It's
ayun.
raining snow.
Uwa na aboy.
Yan. It's raining snow.
Picture ka, Dibing. Uy, naitai
Mommy.
dira.
Raining snow.
Woo! Sige na.
Uy! What is that?
Ray, asa pa ni si Ray Ray?
Where are you going? Basta ang sapatos. Hi, come so you take photo.
Picture ba? Pauna ba ito ni ate? Dali, Ray.
Ano?
It's gonna be snowing.
Go there. Go there ba? Look. Look at look. Your face cannot be seen at the end.
Ano po na inaw? See?
Show your face. Okay.
No. Ray, look at daddy. Opa. Pero nga nag-picture day, kanang kita ka to nagtubi. Kaya ako post.
Nito sa.
Sus, ikaw, grab my phone. Wa man mo gibit-bit.
Bring.
Stand up. Yeah, you stand up. You stand up yan. Ayun. Oh, thank you. Mal, yan. Yanel.
Ah.
Little bit up your. Okay, thank you.
Gotta make a snowman.
Oh, you eat also.
You make a snowman? Or suman? You want suman? Suman tikaan?
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, for
Ay,
you.
no, no, maakan. Medalya etçage şimdi. Peki, nerede? Tamam, bunu.
Nga dana.
Yan,
Parol,
pang
ha?
profile pic.
Eat. Eat.
Nanay pang profile si ate, oh. Smile. Ray, ayaw pagpatawid sa tubig. Ray, look at Ray. Smile, Ray, look at.
Oy, git.
I don't like it.
No.
Noah, Karol. No, no. Ayun. Oh, here.
Oh, sige, sige. Wait,
Eat with the snow. Diretso ba? Tama.
Ray.
Background to ba?
Yan. Wait, saba. Ray, look at sa kay Pampupa. Smile. Ray, Ray. Ako daw dito. Kauna ni ba?
Ito ang background.
Kauna ni ba?
Okay, nice ayo ang word. Well, not it. Oh. 1, 2.
Oh, kamot.
Nani dito na. Kuan si Jack. Mo dai. Bignaw din kayo.
Dali na.
Ah, ito yun.
Dali na, Ray. Dali.
Good
Yeah,
na.
take picture with mommy and daddy. Di, sakit na akong kamot. Di.
Ay, ano? Ay, tuwa dito akong kuan glove.
Go, take, go, hold the cell phone. Sige. On to the glove.
Not pressing. Wait, it's not pressing.
Remove your glove.
Ano wala ka nag-wear sa iyong glasses?
That's foggy.
Yeah, it's in pop. Put in the in your put ba in the
Sige na.
packet.
Ate! 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Ayaw lagi in the face lang.
Put the glass in your pocket.
Just like that.
Kita tanan do. Ano yung
Iyong. Asa? Dali, sige na. Diri sa tanga kay, dali. Kumanguli na ka. Nawa.
Can I get my phone real quick? Ayun.
Ah, thank you.
You can open it. Thank you. Thank you.
Mandarin ise.
Ah, okay.
Bak sen.
Take the
Al.
Take picture the whole thing.
This is the first time too, mommy.
Gusto ka kuha na kong glove?
Yung cellphone.
Asa man?
Ano ka ba?
Is it kind of I'm sitting down on the snow?
Hmm.
Cellphone.
Sige. Right. Right, smile. There you go. Ayan, sit down. You hold this mic. Cover your mouth can be seen. Down. Nga. Ano naman yun? Hey. Smile. Kids. Ate, little bit up your hat.
Make a snow angel.
Hat, your hat ba little bit up. Smile. Uy, look at ba?
I want to make a snow angel. I'm just gonna lean backwards and start moving my hands up here.
Like that. Sige. Sige, yulin. Hilo, just poop. Sige, sige na, lie down. You lie down. Ayos, wala pa.
Wala man, dara yung cellphone lang.
Ha?
Dara yung cellphone.
Oy, asa mo yung gibo yung cellphone?
On my seat.
Sa seat niya. Sayang seat. Payo ka. Rian, lay down, Rian. There, oh, in the white. Lay down. Lay down. Ito snow. Sige. Inanak na. Oh, lie down, Ray. Ay, daan naman si Ray. Baby, hold sa ragod my phone. Dali, yun na yung snowball mo kaya. Okay.
Ah.
Naman. Dili na itong matutugli sa dili. Ilan di.
Hala.
Ano si Tad? Sayang. Ilan, na-change man ilang weather. Ano gani ko? Ay, salamat. Inig-ubot na to mo. Ay, ulan. Picture dami dibig maghina sa snow. Uy, naman dagang kapi. Ilak sa ragod akong sanina di. Ana di ilak na mo sanina di. Ha? Ako ba ila?
Lalay pocket snowball.
Yeah, sige picture daw siya sa snowball. Nalisod ka ayo di iPod. Lang lisod kay lang no, wag na gloves.
Look at her.
Look at na lang daddy, the camera na lang. Look at the snowballs. Be happy. Dali. Thank you, Santa Daddy. Di ay kumpiyansa ha. Lie this foot. I want to lie down. To the snow. Or sit down. Ay, diri na lang kung maglingkod sa bato. Para haron ingnon snow. Di.
My feet is pain.
Ha?
My hand.
Ha?
My hand is red.
Your hands is red. That's why put the gloves.
Yeah, I did. I just removed it.
Because it's cold. Di.
Hands are starting to be very, very cold.
Dali kitang tulo diri si Ton. Katunay
Yan
mo
cellphone
sa...
di.
Sige, dali tiyan. Okay. Dali, Rian, Ray here, ma'am. Ray, here. Ay, magunit ang snow. Ayos lang.
Video din mo gusto?
Ay, video pa? Ay, hindi. Pwede po, i-video daw ka dali. A wish. Sige. Snow! A wish come true!
I also chose
Elijah singing
Snowflakes,
snowflake.
Lily, come here, you sit here. Ray, and Rian. Ate here, dali, dayon ti. Okay, mangulit na ta. Sit down. Wait. Sige. I hold the snowball. Hold snowball.
Kung kay kitang upat
Gani.
kadto ko ang ganito.
Sige, hold the snow. Kasi dito na tubig. Sige.
Kamera ma. Kamera na anhi dere sa pinakabukid. Gianhi man ko, gianhi man mi niya. Sa kaning tagkuan,
Tour.
tagtour.
Para makita.
Ang uban dito ra sa ubos.
Sige na.
Kamera ni anhi.
Sige, make na your snowball.
Pag mahagbong na akong cellphone dito sa ubos, makuha ka na.
Abot lang yun. Ikaw rin yung nakabaw.
Yes, it will. I know
Kuha?
you cannot.
Sige na.
Why did you put it down?
Use the camera.
Why did you put it down though?
Because it's in live.
Ah.
Then what if it falls down and then it's still live? Put it down like more. Put it more
Pwede
down.
pa rin yapon na atuon da din, no?
Hmm.
Sige na. Dali, ano yun? Asa man da itong dati? Nahilis na mo.
Imagine if you win one snowball.
Daddy, big snow?
No, okay. I'm just saying, imagine.
Big snowball for daddy. Oh, you have a lot naman na. Give the other daddy. Where's properly your gloves? Sige, sige.
Hindi na.
Sige, dali na.
Daddy, snowball.
Sige. Ay. Tayo daw, di ba sila piyong ko?
No, man.
This one, oh, the snowball.
My snowball became a snowman.
Ano na? Finish?
Hey, it's frosty. Mommy, take picture of my snowman. Take picture of my snowman, please, mommy.
Wait. Ano, alas 4 naman ba hindi?
Hindi kayo nang punta nga side.
Wait lang.
Hindi ba?
Then you send it to me.
Sa bukid.
Saan pag snow angel?
Have to lay down in the bed.
Di pa ka muna ko, ano? Yes, Rai. Uy, you don't have Rai, that's no angel. Ayo, ate yan. You don't have.
You took picture.
I already made.
Only for Rai. Asa mo ka anitin?
Dito mo.
Ah.
You send it. That's me.
Yeah, this is Rai.
Sige na.
Asa dito?
Dito ba?
Tara.
Hey, you didn't take picture of Frosty, the snowman.
You go there to daddy. Baby,
Yeah.
look at me. In my cell phone. You stand up.
Now I'm sitting.
You stand up. Oh, like that na lang. One, two. Uy, di makakapin.
Oh god, I can't stand.
Ah, sige.
There you go, you can put.
Oh, go hold ate. You, ano, it's my turn. Mangita ko kahigdaan.
Don't break it.
Sige na.
Put it.
Oh,
You
sige.
want to make me fall down.
Sige, smile.
How do I stop?
One, right. Right.
I'm wet.
Yeah, it's fine. Right, come on. Yeah, wait ka, Rai. Oh, anak. Rai, sige. Look at the camera lagi. Big one. Sige, dirita. Dali na, oy.
It's raining.
Wala, makalimta ng phone di. Dali di kay manghigda ta dang duha di oh. Wait, I'll try something. Kabong.
Sige. Ay, go to.
Yeah. Dali na. Dali, stand up na. Dito na dapat ang higdad.
Okay, you will be wet.
You will be too much wet.
Just make it dead.
Dali. May mga kuan sa apple. Uy, abi na si resort na dili. Nora di. Iad ko. Hoy, dali. Ako tang duha din.
I'm gonna chill some off the cliff.
Dali sa bakay magpicture sa kay mong lako na. Tugno ka ayo. Ang kitang ipat. Uy, ko daddy.
Out the window.
At the window. There's no.
Oh, come.
Right, dali na.
Anong cellphone ko para maka.
That's just fun. Okay, you know what that's means? Frosty. That's Rocky's body.
Shout out to Leon Winix. Sunod, uban na daw mo sunod. Makadagan-dagan si Elijah dere oh.
Another message dyan. Ay.
Dere, bukid sa magfags nam dining kwanday. Yaning San Isidro, Kaingog katigbian. Ang humayan sa katigbian nahimo naman kuan asinan na dagang ang asin may bukid nga dagag asin kana imong cellphone na be magkuan ta kanang mag picture ta ba
Pero may tao diri nang tao.
may kalaban guys kamera tao dere
Yeah, your glove. Jacket ba, Jack?
Can you help me mount it? There's no some icing now.
My glove?
Yeah,
I don't think so. Why?
this is an iPhone.
Ay, ako puli-puli ng tahigda di kay kung Korean mo picture. May klaro. Ha? You okay? Happy?
dito sa
Guys, kami rin tao diri.
Luto mami ray. Luto mami ba? Guna, tingnan.
Go. Go well. Dali na diri.
Guna, tingnan. Guna. Uy. Puta ba?
Oh, take picture. I thought that you had eaten.
Four of us first. We will make timer. I don't have the remote.
Tanaw din ako. Yung ko di. Mura. Yung?
Remove.
Again. Ay, timer day na. Abing ako.
10 seconds.
10 seconds dali.
Wala ko kuan remote.
Ha?
Wala ko remote.
Wala yung remote?
Sige na.
Sige na, dali.
S4 pa.
Ha?
S4 pa.
Sakit na ko itong kamay. Di pwede ba? Sige na, look at.
Yeah.
Look at the picture. Look at. Nalabay.
Oh. Nice.
Only me. Only
Not, Ate Ian did not throw her.
too late.
Ay, natabunan man ako now.
Tabunan mo kamot. Again.
Again. Dali. Put
Do
it
there.
down.
Amin ang mami na lang unsa. Me and mami.
Ten minutes? 10 seconds?
Oh, yung
Six,
light.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You blink.
I blink?
No, you didn't.
Show the.
Yeah, I think you did. That you have.
You did like this.
Press it.
Check.
Check. No. It's fine?
No.
Huh?
There's eyes flying. See? Ayun, Rera, ikaw.
Nagpiyong ko?
Wala.
Sige, you.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna grab some stuff.
I will throw also for you. Nagpiyong? Nice.
Kumagod snow.
Sige,
Kamo.
Amun doon. Yeah. One. I tip.
Go pa, little
One.
bit.
Then little bit your mouth.
Why not?
Wait, I need to take my
Enough.
Enough na. Yeah.
Hinakay.
Five,
4, 3, 2, 1. Why?
one. Paoy, ni tago
Not yet.
si Rian. Oh, ni.
One.
Nani.
No, you did not look.
You do like that. Look
You're
at.
like afraid.
You're afraid of the.
Again.
Sige.
I'm gonna get my son here.
I'm staying myself.
Sige na, go na.
Ayaw kahadlok. Sige.
8, 5, 4,
Three.
3, 2, 1.
Did it? Did it do it?
No eyes.
No.
Close the contact.
No.
Mag-angel ka din.
Why, look at this big snowball. Who do you want me to throw it at? Okay, you want me to throw it? Okay.
Guys, lain man day kayong bunaw guys. Kisakit kay sa kamot.
Adi?
The remnants. Na-remnants dere guys.
Do you want me to take this?
Mommy.
What?
What? Who else? Not me. Okay, Daddy. That's Mommy. You said you didn't.
You know, these are actually kind of cool.
God, did water splash on me?
I don't know.
nang manglingkod ang tatatanan sa snow day.
Ha?
Manglingkod tatanan ba?
Jump shot.
Lingkod ba din?
Ah, dito.
Sige, 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 ikaw din sa snow na. Lingkod down together na in the snow. Sige, dali. Munguli na sa di mo temperature sa snow. Kaya itong i-profile. Sige, dali. You sit down. You sit down. Dali lang.
No.
That. Kay mommy also will sit down.
Can I go back to the class?
Oh, sige na, lagi dali natin.
No. No, my feet are shivering.
Oh, sige. Sige pa na. Sige, come here to Rai Rai. You're shivering na.
Shivering, shining.
Dali ka din.
I want also snow.
Ana sa na imong kamo. Sige, sige. Insert your hands. Sige. You like? Sige, dali lang. Uy, ano?
Five,
Oh, dali
four.
lang. Yeah. Your face, at face. Your mouth na. Ano?
My flash.
Na?
Nice.
Napiyong ko?
Oh my god.
Wala? Sige pa, one more. Pero nga inyong, kuan ba? Look at sa mama lang. Ayan. You're here that cover your mouth. You don't know that there's food in your mouth? Oh, like that. Put inside. Okay. Wait a minute.
Sige na.
Go inside.
Ito na.
Oh, like that. Oh, sige. Oh, sige. Oh, sige na.
Oh. Uy.
Sige na. Ang snow. Put on your mouth little bit ba? Your mouth can be seen.
I'm gonna put all these stuff in.
Dapat ana-ana sa to si Rai Rai, si ate, then ako. Ikaw, sige ti, ikaw first try. Then, ate. Ha? Ana ba? Sige, usab na lang, ano sa... Nawa na eh. Sige. Na, piyong ko kay anak kuyawan kong Rai Rai tawad eh. Rai, you go in front, Rai, then ate, then mommy. Sige na, then daddy. You go in front, ate.
Wait, can I go up?
Oh, ate, you go in front of me. Here, dali, here and me. Oh, Rai, you go in front of ate. Dali mo. Go, go. Me, kay mama. Me, ko, me ba? Me, sige, dali. Sige, then, Rai there in front of... Oh, like that. Daddy at mommy's back.
Ah.
Sige, sige, dali, Rai. Lean to ate, Rai. Asa man?
Manas siguro.
Ano?
Nawa naman ang flash kay 15%. Okay rin.
Okay ra?
Kasi kaya kung higda man.
Ayog higda lang. Anak, kay pa makita imong naong. Tarong nga, anak, lang di. O, ayo kayo higda kay ate. You move backward to ate. You move backward. You stand. You stand up. Wala, oh. Too much, oh. Do not lie down so that your hands can be seen.
Like that only. Wala ang lubat kay may flash.
Sige lang.
Count 10.
10, sige.
10. ko di bato.
Ow.
Lovers in the snow.
Going back to the car.
Diyan.
Okay.
Oh.
Ano dia?
Sige na. 10, 9.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Dan?
Yes.
Oh, check. Dili ka din.
Preste.
Press. Like that din. Come on. Ato lang na.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Tala dito.
4, 3, 2, 1. Why are you leaving?
Daw?
Bye bye.
Oo. Wala nakuha?
Kuha na.
Ipa-click na lang kay ate, oy. Di, you click for mommy and daddy, be. Ano, nagtanaw sa camera. Click. Real kiss. No. Ito na video. Ang isa ni uli na. Dali. Ting. Sige, ting. Only sometimes in the snow, ting. Sige. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1,
Prenuptial.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Ana, nabot. Talikod.
Talikod ganyan tatahoy. Ray. Naunsa na siya.
Wait lang.
Uy, gikuha lang. Ha? Ayan.
Hi everybody. How do I...
Show to the video. Ray went.
Sure, like that. The environment.
And how do I put this down?
Higda pa ka di. Nasa yung cellphone di? Ah. Dali na. Una naman. Di. Ano ang tatang upat? Ray! Dali at iyan. Daddy sa. And mommy.
Alright, so I just did it.
You
Wait.
check? It's okay now?
Wait, again.
Again?
Again. Because you already... Because you put it down when it starts. 3, 2, 1. What, Daddy, why are you down?
3, 2, 1 already. Mo, balay. You done? Be you, your cell phone, I will take picture for you when you turn back. Where's your cell phone?
In my bag.
Ang galit eh. Ay, wala. This one, sige. Ay, galit mo. Oh. Oh, sige. You turn your back. Diyan. Di, hawa sa do, di. Di, ayaw kumpiyan sa din. Di. Sige, at iyan. One more. Me, you take also picture for mommy.
Okay.
Stop na naman. Wala, may tao nagbakas eh.
Nay, one bedroom house daw dire.
Done.
Kana na oh. One bedroom house daw na. Kuan lang. 100 lang ang per month. Ang trabaho kay kuan lang kanang mag-atang ug matunaw na ang snow. Nya mag-announce. Balay.
Oh, video. I said picture.
May nagsugbal ito guys sa ibabaw. Sugbag baboy, kasugat may ganina na nag-ihaw og baboy, diha siya ito sila nagsugba.
Survival, wala na. Surrender sa bugno. Di pwede na to.
Nun ano yung tang bukid sa Pilipinas guys. Para wala na yung magpabukid. Surrender na mga nas bukid.